Hey everyone! Ready to elevate your animation game? Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or just love cool visuals, today's video is for you. I'm sharing the top 5 AI-powered video generators for stunning animations, tools that save time and spark creativity. We're talking about going from idea to finished product faster than ever, without needing a degree in animation. These tools are changing the game, and today we're diving deep into what makes each one unique and who they're perfect for. Let's dive right in. First up, Render Forest. This platform is a game changer for anyone looking to create stunning animations without the hassle. This all-in-one platform makes it easy to create high-quality animations, explainer videos, and logo animations. You don't need to be a professional to get professional results. Tons of customizable templates let you start with a professional base and tweak it to match your vision. Whether you want something simple or complex, Render Forest has you covered. Render Forest is all about speed and efficiency, going from concept to finished video in minutes. Imagine the time you'll save on your projects. But don't let that fool you. It's surprisingly powerful. The tools available are robust enough to handle even the most demanding projects. You have a ton of control over the details, so you can get granular with your animations. Adjust colors, timing, and effects to make your project truly unique. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned animator, Render Forest has something to offer. The interface is user-friendly, yet packed with advanced features. The quality? Crisp, professional-grade videos that rival traditional animation software. You won't believe how good your videos can look. If you're looking for a quick, easy-to-use tool that delivers incredible results, Render Forest is worth a look. It's perfect for anyone who needs high-quality animations fast. I'll drop a link in the description so you can try it out. Don't miss the chance to elevate your animation game with Render Forest. Next, Animaker, a powerful tool designed to make storytelling accessible to everyone. A fan favorite among marketers and educators, Animaker is also loved by professionals across various fields. Animaker brings your stories to life with ease, offering a seamless experience for creating animations. Their drag-and-drop interface is super intuitive, even for beginners. You don't need any prior experience to get started. The real star is their massive library of assets, characters, props, backgrounds, you name it. This extensive collection ensures you have everything you need. Customize everything: colors, sizes, facial expressions, and movements. The possibilities are endless. This level of control lets you inject your personality and style into every animation, making each project uniquely yours. Whether it's a fun explainer video or a polished corporate presentation, Animaker makes it pop with vibrant visuals and engaging content. You can go as simple or as complex as you want. It's a tool that grows with you, adapting to your increasing needs and skills. If storytelling is your thing, give Animaker a try. It's designed to help you tell your story in the most creative way possible. You might be surprised at what you can create. With Animaker, the only limit is your imagination. Chapter 3. Imagine.art. Want to create something truly unique? Check out Imagine.art. This tool pushes boundaries, exploring the intersection of AI and art. Perfect for creating surreal art styles, dreamlike sequences, and unique visuals. Imagine.art uses AI to generate stunning, one-of-a-kind visuals from your ideas. Input text prompts, sketches, or concepts, and the AI interprets them in amazing ways. It's like having a collaborative AI artist by your side. If you're tired of the same old animation styles, Imagine.art is your new playground. Unleash your inner artist and see what incredible things you can create. Chapter 4. PauloA. When it comes to animation projects, teamwork is key, and PauloA shines here. Designed to streamline workflows and make collaboration a breeze. Say goodbye to endless email chains and version control nightmares. PauloA centralizes everything, making it easy to share ideas, provide feedback, and track progress. From storyboarding to final renders, PauloA integrates AI for top-notch quality. Features like automated lip syncing and intelligent scene transitions optimize your animations. For teams demanding efficiency and creativity, PauloA is a game changer. Check it out and change the way you work together. Chapter 5. Deep Motion. Ever dreamed of becoming an animated character? Imagine seeing yourself as a vibrant, lively cartoon, moving just as you do in real life. With Deep Motion, that dream becomes reality. This innovative software brings your imagination to life. This tool uses motion capture technology without expensive studios or bulky suits. No need for high-end equipment. Your webcam or smartphone camera tracks your movements, translating them into realistic animations. It's as simple as setting up your device, perfect for game developers, VR enthusiasts, or anyone wanting a personal touch in their animations. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, Deep Motion caters to all. The level of detail Deep Motion captures is incredible. From subtle finger movements to full-body actions, every nuance is recorded with precision. It's super intuitive, even for non-experts, and integrates seamlessly with other animation software. You don't need to be a tech wizard to use it. Ready to step into the world of motion capture? Experience the thrill of seeing your movements come to life on screen. Deep Motion is the tool for you. It's designed to make animation accessible and fun. Create animations that are truly your own. Let your creativity shine with Deep Motion. Those are my top 5 picks for AI video generators to create amazing animations. Whether you're looking for speed, collaboration, or mind-blowing creativity, there's something here for everyone. Go explore these tools and bring your ideas to life. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and creative tools. Drop a comment below and let me know which tool you're excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep creating and stay awesome.